Welcome to our video on Metabo Flex weight loss. In this guide, we will provide you with a step-by-step approach to achieving rapid weight loss using the Metabo Flex system. Before we dive into the step-by-step guide, let's first understand what Metabo Flex is. Metabo Flex is a revolutionary weight loss program that combines nutrition, exercise, and mindset strategies to help you achieve your weight loss goals. The first step in the Metabo Flex weight loss journey is to set your goals. Take some time to define your desired weight loss target and establish a timeframe for achieving it. Setting realistic and achievable goals will help you stay motivated throughout the process. In Step 2, we'll guide you through customizing your nutrition plan. Metabo Flex provides a comprehensive meal plan that is tailored to your specific needs, taking into account your current weight, body composition, and dietary preferences. Following this plan will ensure that you're fueling your body with the right nutrients for optimal weight loss. Step 3 focuses on designing an exercise routine that complements your nutrition plan. Metabo Flex offers a variety of exercise options, including cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. We'll show you how to create a workout schedule that fits your lifestyle and helps you burn calories effectively. Weight loss is not just about physical changes, it also requires a positive mindset. In Step 4, we'll explore various mindset strategies that will help you stay motivated, overcome challenges, and adopt a healthy lifestyle for long-term weight loss success. Lastly, Step 5 emphasizes the importance of tracking your progress. Metabo Flex provides helpful tools and resources to monitor your weight loss journey, including progress trackers, body measurements, and before and after photos. Regularly assessing your progress will keep you motivated and allow you to make any necessary adjustments to your weight loss plan. Congratulations! You now have a step-by-step guide to rapid weight loss with the Metabo Flex system. By setting goals, customizing your nutrition plan, designing an exercise routine, incorporating mindset strategies, and tracking your progress, you're well on your way to achieving your weight loss aspirations. Start your Metabo Flex journey today and make a positive change in your life.